Hello and welcome to our video where we will be discussing SCP-2176, an anomalous brand of light bulbs developed by Titan Consumer Appliances and Electronics. These light bulbs are marketed as Ghostlights and are classified as safe, but they contain an interesting secret. Stay tuned to learn about the special containment procedures and the potential threat that these light bulbs pose. SCP-2176 appears as a normal fluorescent light bulb, but its operating principles are different. It uses an electric current to heat a high-density ectoplasm solution consisting of ectomorphs rather than a tungsten filament. To prevent ectoplasm leakage, the interior surface of the bulb is treated with an ectoproof coating. The ectoplasm used in SCP-2176 was sourced from various suppliers, including the group of interest known as the Factory, GOI-010. While marketed as a cheaper, safer, and longer-lasting alternative to traditional fluorescent light bulbs, SCP-2176 poses a significant hazard. If shattered, the Class A ectomorphs contained within the bulb are released into the surrounding environment and cause anomalous events, usually involving electrical malfunctions. The Class B, C, and D ectomorphs safely dissipate and disperse in the area, but the Class A ectomorphs remain and pose a potential threat. SCP-2176 containing Class A ectomorphs are to be stored in a Class 4 ectoproof containment vault at Site-96. This is to ensure that the Class A ectomorphs, which pose a potential threat, are securely contained. Additionally, Titan Consumer Appliances and Electronics are to be monitored by Foundation agents to ensure that any new technology products developed by the company will not threaten normalcy. In conclusion, the Ghostlights are an anomalous brand of light bulbs developed by Titan Consumer Appliances and Electronics, which contain Class A ectomorphs and pose a potential threat if shattered. The special containment procedures and monitoring by Foundation agents are necessary to ensure the safety of normalcy. Thank you for watching this video, and please stay tuned for more interesting videos like SCP-207 The Cola Bottles or SCP-330 Take Only 2 and Candy Bowl with some interesting effects.